generally speaking, use the smallest grip that will fit over the cable's outside jacket without excessive difficulty. Once the correct pulling grip has been obtained, grab the pulling eye and inspect the rest of the pulling grip. Make sure that there are no broken wires, bulges due to excessive stress, rust, or any other kind of damage. After that, locate the cable and cut off the end just to make sure that everything is even. You can use diagonal cutting pliers, side cutters, and also a pair of snips. Just to be sure to be very careful not to cut or injure yourself while doing this. After this point, mark a point half the length of the pulling grip from the end of the cable, and then walk the pulling grip onto the cable using a pumping action. Stop once the mark that you made previously is at least 3 inches out of the grip of the cable. We will now remove the cable jacket to expose the cable core so that we can couple the cable core to the pulling grip. For this particular MIG cable, I'll use our large coaxial stripper to remove a small length of jacket. Normally, depending on the cable jacket, you should remove at least 6 inches. Separate the ripcord from the rest and then use a little bit of tape to hold the fibers and the aramidion together. Use the ripcord to cut the outer jacket stopping at the mark that you made earlier. And remove that jacket. Starting at the end of the cable, wrap a layer of friction tape to the end of the cable. Do not use electrical tape because electrical tape has a slick surface.